Alright, Dan the Man here, Crow Creations, here to do some repairs on the Jeep to get it back up and running. It's been quite some time since it's actually been on the road now. I've started restoring it probably about 4 years ago, so now I got to repair the transmission skid plate. Let's get to it. So I cut out some cardboard templates that I made off the transmission skid plate, and I transferred them over to my steel here. I'm going to go ahead and cut them out with my plasma cutter. The BESTARC BTC500DP. Nice. So I took this piece of exhaust pipe I'm going to use to cut out my circles as a little template. I'm going to start by cutting all those out. No professional table cuts, but that'll do, I guess. I'll clean them up with the grinder, and then we'll weld them onto that skid plate. So that went significantly well. It was the first time using that plasma cutter. My father bought it for me actually as a gift, and it worked really good. He bought it on Amazon. I think it was a little over $200 for it. I'll see if I can find a link for it. I'll put it down in the description below. Other than that, it worked out great. I can't wait to get these welded up. The rain kind of puts a damper on everything for that today. So again, thanks for watching. You guys have a terrific day, and don't forget to subscribe.